What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Precious and so are you. Today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup look. Very simple, very easy. Here are all the products that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to show you how it fits in my tiny little makeup bag. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my face. After I wash my face, I apply my wonderful facial serum. And here's how I do it. Take out some, put it in the palm of my hands, rub it, put it on my face. And rub it everywhere. Fix. And let it dry up. And then I'm gonna add my moisturizer. And I don't know if everybody is like me, like I didn't have any of the products that I needed during quarantine, and my face got messed up, and for weeks I had to use some other products that I didn't know, and then I ended up ordering my stuff online, and then I had to wait much longer to receive it. So my skin is a little messed up, but I don't mind showing you my face without any makeup because this is me. Now I'm going to apply my moisturizer on my face while my face is still a little wet. You can go and check out my gold mask routine where I show exactly what I do to maintain clear skin. Now I'm ready to apply my makeup. This is what I'm going to start with: my brush and my 4-in-1 foundation. And I'm wearing a bandana because I don't like to have makeup on my clothes. So now I'm going to apply my 4-in-1. I'm going to take my brush. And this is what the makeup looks like. Dip it in. I'm going to make circles. And I make circles on my face. I would normally close my eyes as I apply this, but since I want to be able to see everything I'm doing, this is what I do. This is after I apply the 4-in-1 powder. Now, my secret. I don't know if a lot of people do this, but this is my glow powder. Some people use it just for their cheeks, but I use it all over my face. So this is what I'm going to apply now. My perfecting powder. And this is what it looks like. And again, I'm going to make circles and then circles on my face. Now I hope you can see the difference between when I didn't have this powder on and now that I have the powder on. So very simple, very easy. 2 elements. This is my 4-in-1 that I use, and this is my glow powder. Now depending on the outfit that I'm wearing, sometimes I put a little bit of my makeup around my neck, depending on what I'm wearing. If you're wearing a shirt, like a white shirt or something that might get dirty, please don't do that. But if you have a lot of space, like I did today. You can put it around your neck, around your ears if you choose to. Now I'm going to use my NYX dark brown eye pencil to draw my eyebrows. And that's it for my eyebrows. And this is what I'm going to use for my eyeliner. Real. I'm going to apply my mascara. Here you go. I'm going to put on my lipstick. This is by NYX. Alright, this is my everyday look. Very simple, very easy. 2 products, my 4-in-1 foundation, my little bronzer, the eyebrows and the eyes, and that's it. Very easy. So guess what? Everything that I use is in this bag. This is everything that I use. So everywhere that I go, this is the only thing I have to take with me. This is literally my everyday makeup bag. It is that simple. The powder, the 4-in-1 right here, the bronzer right here, the eyeliner right here, the pencil for my eyebrows here, the mascara, and my lipstick. So this is all it takes to achieve this look. I hope you like it. I hope you picked up a few tips from me and that you enjoy doing your makeup too. Remember, share, subscribe, love, like, stay precious. Bye.